We are in our Calamine series this month, so let me show you how I made this creamy Calamine mask that feels so soothing and so moisturizing. So welcome to Formulation Friday, where we make amazing skincare products from scratch every Friday. Let's get started. These are ingredients. We have distilled or deionized water. I have here a mix of niacinamide and glycerin that will both go into our water phase. And we have our preservative to keep our product from spoiling and our star ingredient, calamine powder. And for our oil phase, I have one of my favorite oils from Isivuno Naturals, and that is olive oil and emulsifying wax that will emulsify all our ingredients together. So I started with the ingredients that I'll be heating up, and that is the oil phase and the water phase. So the water phase, I added the niacinamide and the glycerin into the deionized water. I stirred until it was completely dissolved. And then I mixed together the ingredients for the oil phase. And I gently heated both these mixtures using the double boiler method because we need them both to be around the same temperature. And when they were both heated, I poured them over my mixing container and I added the calamine powder. Using a stick blender, I immersed these ingredients together, starting with short bursts and gradually going longer for about a minute. And I allowed it to cool down a bit and immersed again. As it cools down, it gets thicker. So when the mixture was cooled down to the touch, I then added my preservative and I immersed again. When it had completely cooled down, it was nice and creamy and I was happy with the consistency. So I dip it into my jar and it was ready to use. This calamine mask has skin soothing, brightening, and hydrating properties. It has the perfect calming effect for your skin. It's suitable for all skin types and does not cause any discomfort or dryness. You can get all these ingredients at Isivuno Naturals, and I'll see you next week for our next calamine formulation. Cheers!